By now, the entire world has seen this monster attack a random passenger on a subway train for no reason at all. The original clip always cut off right at the moment of chaos, leaving the rest to our imagination. But now, the continuation has surfaced. Before I go further, let me warn you. There's no gore and no actual stabbing shown. But what you're about to see is nauseating. Pure horror. Look at this girl's eyes. She had to stare directly at evil. The confusion on her face quickly turns to terror. She probably doesn't even realize what's happened yet, only that something feels terribly wrong. The pain is just beginning to creep in. And now she's left crying, isolated, as her life slowly slips away. Not a single passenger steps forward. Nobody offers a hand, or even a simple, "Are you okay?" You could argue the bystanders didn't understand what they had just witnessed. It happened fast, without warning, but their inaction makes the scene all the more haunting. The attacker calmly walks away down the train car, his face blurred, but his words chilling, something muttered under his breath.
You gotta let it go. You gotta let it go. You need some blood, bro. Understand? You need some blood real bad, bro. Stab this girl. Huh? Say what? You need some blood bad, bro.
A twisted justification for his crime.
Come over with it.
Only after he's gone do others begin to react. Murmurs of shock. Someone gasps, "Oh my God." This clip is agonizing to watch, but that's exactly why it matters. Evil doesn't always arrive with warning signs. Sometimes it's right there in front of us, and the world looks the other way.